fine. You can go away now, please.
Sir, do you know what you're doing?
Can I get a nice note?
Yeah, let's
I'm
get a
just
note.
cleaning the car.
Literally, you're getting a note.
Just read it, sir.
There you go, sir. Please read the note.
I haven't been given a note.
Yes, you did get a note.
get a
but
note,
it's
but
quite
it's
fine,
quite
sir.
fine, sir. I haven't got a note.
Okay, let me say like
let me
this,
say
you
like
see.
this.
If
You
you're
see.
live at
live at a chat,
What's the problem
but
here?
of course the chat you
Jonathan.
doesn't have a chat.
Jonathan, just walk away, my friend. Come on.
Okay, I'll stay away.
I didn't get a note. I don't know what you're on about.
Just leave it, mate.
You're still. Sir, can you not
So can you not have the
rifle
rifle off like that, you see? Can you take your rifle on your back, fine, sir?
What is up with Kavala right now?
It just needed another clean.
Sir, if you
Just
don't
another
step away
clean.
from the car, I'm calling the police. Do you understand? This is your last warning.
I'm just cleaning the
He's-
fucking car!
He's washing the wheels.
Step away from the vehicle. I
I'm just
genuinely
bandaging
don't give
my
a fuck,
elbow.
sir. Can you please step away from the vehicle?
I can't, my W key's broke, I'm sorry. Honestly, I would.
What you talking about your W key? You can just walk away
Key,
like
my
this, you
keyboard.
see.
It won't work. I'm
Are you-
spamming it now, it doesn't work. Honest to God, it doesn't work. It's not working, sorry, I would walk
Sir,
away,
come
but I
on, just step
can't.
away from the vehicle.
I'm trying
Just
to.
a tip.
Honest to God, I'm trying to step away. What is
Sir,
going
it's
on,
a
man?
big...
Nothing,
Yeah,
I'm
do you
trying to step away from the car, but it won't let me.
Sir,
I want to walk away
God's
from it.
sake.
I can't do it.
can you step away from my off-road?
This is my
off-road.
friend's off-road, so shut up.
No, it's my
Go-
off-road.
No,
Well,
shut
fine
the
then, watch
fuck
this.
up. No, it's not.
It is my
Bit weird,
off-road.
that.
I'm now in.
You just
Bit
stole
weird,
my
that.
off-road.
No, we didn't. This is ours, you stupid mong.
What did you call me, sir? Yeah, run away.